Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. This video might be something out of ordinary for me, but I wanted to share something with you. For quite some time, I have been wanting to try out those little, cute little pocket thermal printers. And when Phomemo contacted me, I was so very excited and did not want to pass on this opportunity. So let me present to you one of their products. This is Phomemo M02 mini Bluetooth portable thermal printer. But first, to be clear and honest, this video is sponsored by Phomemo, but it will in no way or form impact my opinion on this device. And having said that, well, let's focus on unboxing it. The one I'm opening right now is actually set available for purchase on their website, and I will place the link down in the description box, but we'll get to that a little bit later on. It includes pocket printer M02 series with one roll of paper in it and 3 additional paper rolls with adhesive paper. It also includes an USB charger for printer. For more information about other types of printers available and also available printing paper, please do check their website, and link will also be in the description of this video. When you're holding it, it is quite heavy. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic or a cheap printer. It really does seem like a quality little printer. It is small and compact and really suitable to carry along with you as a pocket printer. And the advantage is also that it is thermal, so you do not have to worry that you will ever run out of ink. But it also means that it prints only in black and white. On the other hand though, you can embellish it with watercolors, with markers, you can add washi tape, you can add some other stickers, and I don't really think that's a bad thing, but I think that's a good invitation for embellishing and for creativity. It has a Bluetooth, so there are no unnecessary cables. It has beautiful design and lots of different types to choose from. Also, in my opinion, has an affordable price for what it offers. And after unboxing it and before first use, well, make sure you charge it fully. That is something I will do right now. There is only one more thing we need to do before using it. I will install an app on my tablet, and I do use an Android, but the app is also available for iOS devices. Just went to Play Store, wrote Phomemo in search bar, and when the app opened, I clicked on install. After it finished, I opened the app and all set to go. When opening the app, it will automatically turn on Bluetooth on your device and connect it. Very simple to use, and even those who are far from skilled with gadgets can use it very easily. It offers a lot of finished images, emojis, calendar, features, and ready to print and use it in your project. You can also print photos from your own library and make custom text and images. So without further ado, here is a couple of ways I use it. First one will be making to-do list for today, and I'm just looking through those frames and finding this one that says today. I think this one is just perfect for what I need. Also, this printer has 3 options for thickness: fine, medium, and thick printing. Just choose the one you want and print this cute little print. So cute, I love it. And I will just cut out the upper part and the lower part because it has teeth from the printing. Glue it onto my journal. This is actually my notebook, I would say, and just add a little bit of washi tape and, well, just write what I need to do now. Of course, paint, you can't miss that, and smile. Don't forget to smile. That is my motto for every day: smile. I add that on every day today to-do list. So now I'm gonna just go directly onto the Instagram, and I can just use this app, share it with my Phomemo app, and print it directly from Instagram. And you can see right now, quite simple, just go onto the post you want to print, then hit the share and share it with Phomemo app and print. It's just simple as that. And also you can print a photo. Right now I'm just going into my gallery, and just adding it onto my printer and print it out. This is just slightly different photograph. It's not exactly the same. And so I decided the second one, I'm gonna use it for my journal, for my today to-do list, and just glue it here onto the, well, this list. Don't you think it's cute? Quite cute. Just add a little bit of the border just to embellish it slightly. And this is so fun, actually. And a couple of hearts, and I think that is it. You can also use the other one, but I'm not gonna use it for now. Second thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna embellish my Christmas card. I did that card a while ago, and I just wanted to add that Merry Christmas banner, writing, whatever, and you can make it yourself. Just write as a note or just find a finished one. I found a finished one and just add it, glue it onto this. This is a not really cardboard, but a little bit more thicker paper, and I glue it onto that. And then just use my watercolors. You can absolutely use your watercolors on that print, and it gives you it won't warp. And I think it's quite awesome to add that. And a little bit with scissors, I'm gonna distress the edges and use the two-sided tape, and then just glue it onto my card. And that is it. Voila, it's finished. So I think it's quite cute. You can of course use any writing you like. Also, I'm using it for making the labels on my paintings. This is how I usually package my paintings for my orders. And I'm just gonna go into the app and then look for something quite cute that I could use for my label, and just looking for that, a lot of things here that is among comics. And I think I found this one. I like this cup with some brushes, and then hit print, and it will bring you into this app where you can just adjust that photo as you like, make it smaller, a little bit bigger, add text, and I've just added the image to it. And this is something I've made before and what I used for my labeling. And well, now I've just added that cute little image of brushes and of course print it out. Quite cute. So I'm gonna cut it and then glue it onto my package. Quite cute. So that is one way to use it also. And the last one, I will use it to label my spices. So these are also doodles. I'm just using it, going onto the image and adding it to the app and just adding some text. Quite simple. You will definitely see that. You can make your text a little bit smaller or larger, whatever you like. You can also see when you finish it, when you think you're satisfied with what you've done, you can print preview. So if you like it, just print it. If you don't like it, you can go back and adjust it slightly. And after printing it, as I was saying, you can definitely paint on it. So again, I'm using watercolors and adding a little bit of paint here and there. And this is some greenish color, and I'm gonna just label it onto my basil, cup, not cup, but this little small container, glass container. And maybe this is just a little bit too small. I will later on cut it slightly, because when I was looking at it, comparing with the other ones, it was a little bit too big, so I've cut it. You can also cut it in a circle or cloud shape or whatever shape you like. So I'm gonna also embellish those three. This is for mustard, oregano, and rosemary, and the one I did previously for basil, I'm gonna use slightly different colors, some yellow, some brownish color, and also this darker brown color for the last one, for the oregano. And I think looks quite beautifully, and it soaks beautifully. That watercolor, you can actually move it very easily onto that paper, and it looks quite cute. I think you can also use watercolor markers that are water soluble, that you can also move with watercolors, and then glue all of them onto my containers for my spices, and I think they will be just so cute. And I decided at the end to use also this ink pen and add some borders to it, and I think they just look so perfect. I think they will look perfect on the shelf. So if you're interested to get a little bit more about information about that printer, you can definitely find the link down in the description box. Go to the Phomemo website and read a little bit more about that. Also, if you click on the links in the description and go to their website and decide to purchase any of the items, you will get a discount of 10%. Just make sure you use this code at checkout, and I will get a small commission for that. And I would be very grateful. If not, that is also fine. It's not no pressure. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope it was helpful to you. If not helpful, maybe at least fun. So thank you guys again for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!